Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make a very trending and effective weight loss drink that helps to cut your belly fat. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Today I've taken 1 lemon. Cut them into half and squeeze out the juice. Lemon on the other hand boosts metabolism and thus helps in weight loss. Lemon also helps in reducing the calorie intake. We'll be using both the lemon peel and the juice to make this healthy drink. Now heat a saucepan. Into this add 1 cup of water. Keep the flame in medium till the end. When the water comes to a boil, add the lemon peel. Let this boil for 2 minutes. Lemon peel has a high nutritional value, support oral health, high in antioxidants, has antimicrobial and antifungal properties, boosts your immune system, promotes heart health and has anti-cancer properties. Then to this add a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Let this again boil for 2 minutes. Cumin seeds has a lot of health benefits. It's an excellent source of antioxidant known to boost the immune system and prevent conditions like cancer, heart disease and diabetics. It controls blood sugar levels, lowers your cholesterol levels and fights against bacteria and parasites. It can treat diarrhea and very helpful for weight loss and improves your digestion. Then to this add 1 bay leaf. Let this again boil for a minute. Bay leaf on the other hand are rich source of vitamin A, C, iron, potassium, calcium and magnesium. They help in treating migraine. Bay leaf contains enzymes that help to break down protein. It helps in digestion, thus helps in weight loss. Now off the flame and add the extracted lemon juice. Let this rest for a minute. Drink this 10 minutes before going to bed. Also make sure to have your dinner about an hour to drinking this fat cutter drink. This drink improves your metabolism while you are in sleep and cuts down the belly fat. This diet is more efficient when you maintain a proper diet throughout your day and eat a lot of fresh fruits and vegetables. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. This drink a day boosts your immunity. So do try this fat cutter drink at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.